How much money do you need to make a living from trading?
Okay. I've heard so many advisors who have agendas say, oh, you can do it with £1,000 or £2,000. Who are you kidding? How can make a living with £1,000? I mean, you can't.
No.
I would say you need, if you want to make a living, 25,000 plus, you need to invest or have in a trading account.
And do you need to have that money without fear, as you were saying
Yes.
earlier? That has to be something that you could be able to let go of.
Let go of.
So realistically, you need to have more to not be scared of losing that 25.
Or be young enough and say, what if I lost it? I do something else, which was my kind of.
How often should one trade?
How often should one trade? It's a very difficult question to answer. Depends what you trade. If you're trading forex, then you could be trading within minutes. If you're trading equities, you could be closing your position in a day or a couple of days or a week. If you're trading indices, the same, I suppose. It depends what you're after, but as I said, I think medium-term trading is the way to riches.
Is there a time to trade and a time not to trade?
The time to trade is when you're absolutely confident with every study you've done, fundamental, technical, and within your gut intuition that is the right time to trade. If you're trading from place of fear, don't trade. Fear is your signal that you shouldn't trade, I would say.
Does anybody really want to be a full-time trader, do you think?
Yeah, I'm sure they do. I'm not everybody. People have different lifestyles. I mean, you could have somebody who might be disabled and there isn't much they can do and they want to at home and this is what their excitement would be. Mm-hmm. There's all kinds of people and lifestyles and,
What does somebody need to know if they want to replace their day job? If they're like, I'm sick of doing that, I'm going to be a trader. What do they need to know?
First of all, make sure that you're ready. You have enough experience. I would say, first of all, put couple of £1,000 or £1,000. Test yourself. Test real trading. Maybe you lose it, but put it as an education. Put it as you would have paid for a course. So £1,000, £2,000. Put it and test it and experience real trading. Experience all the fears and all the emotions you go through. A lifestyle of a trader. And then embark on it if you're happy.
If you're working full-time somewhere else and you want to become a trader as well, is it possible to do that? Because will you have enough time to analyse the markets?
Yes, I think you will have enough time. When there is a will, there is a way. And you can use your medium trading strategy or long-term trading strategy. And if you've come up with a certain hypothesis of where certain stocks or gold or currencies or indices will go, then take a position and don't look at it every second. And do it again, do it with money you can probably afford to lose.
What style of trading do you recommend for somebody who does have a full-time day job?
Medium to long-term trading. Take a position and maybe don't take too much margin so it doesn't affect how you function during the day because you're worried. So yeah.